Hello everyone, this is Sri. I'd like to give a demo on ODI Open Tool, how to create an open tool in ODI. Okay, these are the steps. Write a Java code, make it as a jar and deploy in ODI. Let us see one by one. I'll create a Java code now. I'll go create a class. Make sure there's all these imports are available. These are not mandatory. These are all mandatory. I open tool parameter, I execution, I open tool execution exception, I open tool abstract, and I open tool parameter. Extends. So it will ask for unimplemented methods, add the unimplemented methods. Okay, now give one by one. We'll have some unimplemented methods. First, I'll check this. Why this tool is for file create in local directory. Next, get icon. I don't want to get an icon. I'll fill this later. Provider, it's my company.com, something like that. Syntax, something like file create message. Version is my first version 1.0. Create a parameter. Open to parameter. Create some parameter. Open to true for executing. This is mandatory field, so I'm making this as true. Text. file parameter. Okay, next, this is over. You need to get this here. This should match here. Now go to the execution. You can write whatever Java code you want here. I'll create a file here. File name is open file text. I'm going to create a file like that. I'm going to get the parameter which we entered there. Copy this, paste it over here. I'm going to pass the text value here. So this is done. I'm going to generate another class to test this. To see whether it is working or not. Okay, after this, run this test application. Java, it's run. We'll go and see the file is created or not. Yes, it's created with a null value. Okay, delete this and test it again. It should create a file. Yes, it is created. I'll delete this again. What I have to do is I need to export it as a jar. I'll close this test setup. I'll export. I'll place in the desktop. Yes, a jar is created here. You need to go to the user library. This is the library location. How will you find this library location? Open the ODI. Okay, I didn't have a work repository. Let me configure that first. In your case, you will be having a work repository. I didn't create, that's what I'm creating now. Let it create. So this is the location you need to keep the jar. It's like some roaming ODI user library. So how do you get this? I'll tell you. Okay, I'll disconnect this and connect to the ODI work repository. I'm connected to work. Go to help. So ID user dir is the location. This is till ODI I have C:, user Sriram app data roaming ODI. Okay, in this where you need to paste is add or remove open tools ID user dir plus this library path. So this is what I'm going to paste my. Okay, before pasting this, make sure that you're disconnected and closing this client. Okay, I'm going to copy this, paste this here. Open the client. Go to ODI, connect to work repository. It's getting connected. Go to add or remove open tools in the ODI. So file create is my file. Click OK. the class will appear here, and you need to add this. The file create is added. You'll find provider is mycompany.com, which I have given there. Version is v1.0. These are the parameters. File create text message. This is the syntax. File create in local directory. This is the description I have given. Okay, it is added now. Click OK. Now go here and create a new project. Project open tools. Save this. Go to first packages, new package. File create test. Go to the diagram. In this plugins you will find the file create. If I place the icon images, you will find the image of this. Example, like this is one image, this is another image, like this. Else you'll get a green color button like this. Click on this, place it here, save this, and this is file create. Your message, you can enter any message. I am new open tool. Save this. Your command is like this. This is syntax actually. Now go and execute this. Yes, local agent. It's executed. Very good. Now you go to the ODI open tools. The file is created. The message, I am a new open tool. Thank you everyone.